How we doing, Mr. Kaiser? I got a video if you want in. Brad, let's go grab Kaiser. I
already got some sick lightning.
Yeah, I just had one sick lightning. It's all the way up top. Kaiser. This is McLovin. This is the last time you see me. Then I'm dead.
I set my phone on a windowsill in there and it's recording.
Oh, that's a great idea, Bradley.
Mine's good.
Oh, nice. Watching him play in the preseason last year. So pay attention to the battles inside.
It would be sweet if we were like storm chasing.
Yes.
That's what we do for a living. Just get fucking high and go out there.
Larry Winston!
But I'm just gonna keep it coming.
Oh shit, go. Oh. Now I gotta get by, you can get by there.
Thank you. It's a big old storm here.
Huge storm.
Huge. Here we are. Going
In the eye of the storm.
Moises cat. Look at that storm cell. That is huge.
Look at the swirl.
Oh!
Oh! Woo!
Ow, ow!
Sexy little thing.
Damn.
Look at that swirl.
I know, it's coming at us.
Look how low that cloud is.
Well, there's the Kaiser. The Kaiser's cat.